guys, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel. Nice to have you here. This is Jewelry Biz with Chika, and I'm Chika, your host. All right, so this channel, you're going to be talking about 3 important things you must do before you start your jewelry business. Yes, 3 things. These are the lists of things that any jewelry entrepreneur or jeweler needs to tick before starting. Like before you even take your pen to write anything, just know these 3 things first and foremost, so that you don't get confused or stuck up later in your business. So what I need you to do right now is first like this video, then subscribe if you're a jewelry entrepreneur or you look forward into going to the business later on. Okay, let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to know before starting your jewelry business is, who do you want to sell to? Who exactly do you want to sell to? Who is your target market? Who are you trying to get their money? Okay, so there are a lot of people you can actually target when you're going into the jewelry industry. You can target children, you can target brides, you can target women, working class or stay-at-home moms or students. You can target men, you can target people that like hip-hop, you can target a lot of people, different elderly ones. You can target people that like handmade jewelry. So there are a lot of people in these targets in the market. Let me put it like that. In the market, there are a lot of people that you can target in the whole market. So, but first things, you need to know who exactly you're trying to target. If it's females, if it's male, if it's children, if it's old adults, like people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, who exactly are you trying to target? This would help you narrow your decision making on the kind of jewelry you should buy, how the jewelry should look, the design, the weight, the size, the colors to take. If you're going for children accessories, for example, you need to make it very colorful, very bright, very beautiful, very has a lot of character, like cartoon characters or something like that. Even in that children accessories, you need to know, are you targeting the female or the male in the children accessories? The children baby girls like pink, the males like blue, and this is a lot of thinking you need. These are things you need to consider before starting your jewelry business. So I need you to answer the question, who are you trying to target? Okay, after answering that question, we move to the next one. Now that you know who you're trying to target, the second thing you need to know is your niche. In that target market, take for example, you're targeting females, and you want to sell jewelry to females. In that female market, there is still a niche you need to go into. You can target females in there. You can either choose different ways. Maybe females that are minimalistic, people that don't like to wear heavy chunky jewelries, maybe simple pieces. You can target those kind of people. So you go into the minimal jewelry, or you target people that like shiny pieces. So you're going to zirconia, you're going to Swarovski, you're going to diamonds. Okay, you can also target people that are getting married. Okay, so you can females that are getting married, so they will need bridal jewelries like this, something simple, something elegant. Yeah, so you should also niche it down a bit more, so that you have an idea of who exactly is this your ideal customer. Who exactly is she, and what exactly is she looking for? What is she looking for to get right now? A tip for you in that line is, you need to go do your visibility studies, your analysis, go to the market, see. You already know who you want to target, you already know what kind of niche you want to go into. Go there, see what they are already wearing. Okay, what they're already wearing will give you an insight on what you should buy. Okay, so if they're already wearing simple pieces like this, and you're targeting people that want to go into, that are looking for bridal jewelry, okay, then you know that you should go into simple pieces. Get simple earrings or necklace or even rings. Yeah, we can go into wedding rings, which are in right now, and they are very lucrative, so you could check those ones out. This will give you better information. Another thing it will help you do is to help you know the kind of metals and materials you should use in your jewelry. If you're making it or you're giving it to a supplier to make it for you, whichever ways you're doing it, it will give you insight on what kind of metals you should use. You could go for stainless steel, gold plated, pure gold, gold filled, any material. But when you know the kind of material she already uses, you know the kind of materials you should go for. There are some materials you shouldn't even think about when you're making decisions for your target market, your ideal customer. Take for example again, wedding rings. You know that the minimum is S925, which is sterling silver or pure gold or gold filled. Okay, so that's what you need to know before you even start, so that when you finally get your jewelry pieces, they don't tarnish easily. Because most people don't like to pull off their wedding rings, so you need to get jewelries that will last, like through water, through sweat and scratches and everything. This will make you make better informed decision. Okay, now let's move to the last one. Yeah, when you've known who your target market is and known what niche you want to go into, okay, you can now go into creating your brand, developing your brand. Okay, you need to know the kind of brand you want to put out there. There are different kinds of brands. Okay, you can go for the mass market, that everybody can afford you. Anyone that has small change can get you a product, and that is fine. Okay, this will also, if you have not done the previous the second question I asked you, you will not know this next one. Okay, you need to know, if you're going for pure gold, you can't be doing mass markets because it's quite expensive, it's on the high side. But if your brand is for mass market, you'll go for something like stainless steel, alloy, what else, brass, all those lower metals. You can go for that, and even gold plated. Yeah, so if your market is for the mass market, you can do that. But if you're going for a premium brand, you can do gold filled, sterling silver, and the likes, and gold plated too. Some good gold plated can also do for premium markets. And if you're going for luxury, market, you're doing your pure gold, your white gold, all those different yellow gold, diamonds, moissanite, and that's kind of luxury vibe. That's what you should go into. So you should develop your brand in that line. Know the kind of brand you want and your brand message, your brand color, everything, your pictures, and all how you're going to come out to the public. You need to figure this out. Because you're coming in as a brand. Okay. Because you're coming in as okay. Dear Lord, save me. So the kind of brand you're building will also inform you on your price point. Is it available for everyone, or is it available for a certain kind of people, a clientele? And also inform you on where you'll be located. If you're getting a physical outlet, are you going to be located on the streets? What kind of streets are available for you, or in a shopping mall, for those, if you're going for luxury brands and all of that. Okay, I hope you understand and you get where I'm coming from. Oh gosh, you understand. Please take out your time to think about these questions before starting your jewelry business, so you don't have to make so much mistakes and doing your back and forth. Okay, hope you got one or two things. Please like this video and drop a comment in the comment section, and I will listen to you. I will reply. I'll get back to you. If you have any questions, please drop them too. And if there are any other things that has helped you to make better decisions in your jewelry business before you started, please also would like to learn from you. Drop them in the comment section. Make it interactive, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.